Hi, I'm Sue from Sue's Creative Workshop, and I'm here today with my grandson Nick and Warren, and today we're going to be exploring the Orange Box Kit. Okay, now you guys can open your box and see what's inside. I know you guys have been anxiously waiting to see what's in them.
Oh, where's the tape? Where is the tape?
It's just open. Nick, show them how it opens.
There's no tape, Warren. It's just like...
Right there.
Stop screaming.
What's inside? Open it up more, Warren, so I can see what's inside. It's kind of like a present, isn't it?
A pinata. It's like a present in a box.
It's kind of like a pinata?
No, it's like confetti.
Okay, let's not play with the confetti. Let's just get the purple thing is the present, okay?
I'm just trying to get
Let's just get the present.
There's
And what else do you have in there?
I got Mod Podge, a brush,
Okay.
and a dice.
Is that a dice? Yep. And what's
I got this. And it looks like it's used. I think it's used for this. I think it's used for making an art project.
Okay.
This and this.
What else?
And,
Okay, can you...
I think these are the instructions. So. And this. Everything you need to make some awesome masterpieces. Wooden box, Mod Podge, gloss, all in one glue, glitter and finish, colored tissue and squares, 2 pieces of shelf and silk, crafting plastic, a shelf.
Can you show me what's in the box, Nick? Show me what that box right there is. Can you hold it up and show it to me?
It's
Turn it around.
Unfinished wood mess box.
Oh, so that's something that you can make, right?
Maybe we're gonna put stuff on it to make it like into something.
Okay, now I have a question for you guys. Look at me. Warren.
Try to get this wood thing out. No.
Are you guys ready to start making?
Uh-huh.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well, we're going to sign off. Tell everyone goodbye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
And we're going to start making our projects, and we'll take some pictures while we're making our projects. All right, thanks, guys.